Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is Monday, May 18th. This week for literacy, we are working on our final project for the end of the year. Yay! We can do a happy dance. um, so we are doing a final project. That means you do need to be doing it every day, otherwise you're going to start falling behind for the week worth of work. Okay. Um, our final project, we're going to go through it right now, but we're building a water conservation poster using everything that we've learned about water and why water is important. Remember, we were reading One Well. We read One Well for quite a long time. We also read The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, and we learned why water was important to him. Okay. And then we also, throughout our remote learning, we also read a bunch of water books. So we're going to use our knowledge that we have obtained to make this poster, to make a poster that is nice and colorful, and that it expresses the importance of why we should save our water. Okay, just like our poster here says, save water because we use water for growing crops, showering. Don't waste water, right? We use water for washing our teeth, to water our plants, and then make sure you're fixing your faucets when they break so they're not just leaking water, right? So they're not wasting. So this project will take a week to complete. Sorry, I lost my point of thought. It will take a week to complete. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't think, oh my God, how am I gonna do this? I don't have anything. Um, if you have any questions or if you need anything, just reach out to me, please, and I'll think of a way about how I can help you. But make sure you're doing the steps every day so that you're not falling behind, so that Thursday doesn't come and then you're like, oh man, I haven't done it. I haven't done Monday or Tuesday. Okay. So our learning target today is I can make a poster to explain why water is important to me and to the planet. So how will this process look? So today, you will draft 3 places where you see water and add captions to the pictures. And I'll show you a model in just a minute, so don't freak out yet. So a draft, remember, this is going to be like a sketch, right? It's going to be a before your final product. Remember, a draft does not have to be perfect. You will make changes to the draft. You will have to probably erase, redo, okay, but don't take so much time in your draft. Remember, it's going to change. You'll see mine change so much from the draft to the final product that I'm going to show you, okay? So just don't take so much time with it. Yes, draft those 3 places so you're on track, and then you will add captions to the pictures, and I'll explain more about the captions later. Tuesday, you'll find 3 reasons, one from each book, or it can be all 3 from one. It doesn't matter. But you'll find 3 reasons from One Well, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, or any other water book we have read. This can be anything that we have. Pretty much, you're using what we have researched already to find 3 reasons of why it's important to the world, why water is important to the world. Um, you don't have to copy exactly what says in the book. I know we don't have One Well at home. We don't have The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. When it comes for Tuesday, I will attach those read alouds again, and you can listen to them again, just so that it can be fresh in your brain again. But if you remember something from One Well or from The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, then you don't need to listen to those read alouds, right? You can just use what you remember, or just use what you know already, why water is important. Wednesday will be the day for you to publish your poster in a nicer paper. And by nicer, I mean you can. I used white copy paper because that's what I had. If you have white copy paper, if you have anything that's laying around that's nicer than your notebook paper, you can use that. If you don't have anything else laying around other than your notebook paper, then do not worry about it. You can still do it in a notebook paper. Okay. Um, we know we would like it to look a little nicer, so we can, when you share it's a nicer poster paper, but if you don't have it, do not stress about it. And so Wednesday will be the day for you to add a color, make it special, make it yours, show your personality in the poster. Okay, make sure it's appropriate. Make sure you're not doing anything crazy on your poster. You make sure everything stays appropriate for school, because on Thursday you will be sharing your posters. This is a day where we will present. And so we will have a Google Meet. Miss Sandstrom's Literacy will join us for that Google Meet. And then we will share our posters then, okay? If you for some reason cannot make it to this Google Meet, but you worked so hard on all of this, you can come during my office hours and then just share it to me, okay? So that I can see it and see that you've done the work. Since we know it's a little complicated to upload a picture into our assignment, and we don't want to go through that. We'll rather have a whole class kind of share to look at each other's work and just admire our work, right? Because we worked so hard all week. And then Friday again, Friday is a catch-up day. So in case you did miss, a day, you can go back on Friday and just do all that work. And then Friday you can come during my office hours and then also show me then, okay? All right, this is my model. So your poster will end up looking something like this. Of course, you're gonna make it your own, so you're gonna make it however you want to do it, as long as you follow the steps. So my title was water. Okay, here are my 3 places that I chose. I chose my bathtub. That's where I saw water. I also chose my sink. And here I chose my garden. This is one of my garden boxes that I have. Remember how I said I've been doing a lot of gardening lately? And here are my quotes. I have a bunch of quotes all over the place, but the ones that you'll do for today are, I included it like here in the bathtub. To shower, bathe, I need water. Here I said I use water to wash my hands. Here I said I use water to help my garden grow. Okay, so the captions are corresponding with the picture. Okay, we're not going to be talking about showering when it's a picture of my garden, right? Your sentence needs to match the picture. And make sure that when we're writing our sentences or our captions, that it isn't a complete sentence. You have a capital, you have a punctuation at the end, and it makes sense, right? All right. So for today, what do I need to do today, Ms. Flores? You have talked so much, and I don't know now what I need to do today. Well, your first step is to go outside or around your house. Find 3 places where you see or use water. You can use some ideas from my poster, but don't take them all, okay? Try to do it your own. Try to make it your own. We use water for so many things: washing our teeth, cooking, washing our hands, washing our dishes, flushing the toilet, watering our grass. Okay, those are just ideas that I'm throwing out there of where you could possibly see water. But just go around and see. Some of you guys might wash your cars at home, so you might see that happening. Okay, so go outside or around your house, find 3 places where you see or use water. So you'll find 3 places. Once you have that, then you come back inside, draft the places in your notebook. So here is my notebook, and I actually did 4 places first, or 4 items. But in my final product, I didn't do the coffee. Okay, but here I have my my bathtub. Here I have my sink where I wash my hands. Here I have my garden. Whoops. And then here I have a coffee because I use water for my coffee, obviously, and you know that I need my coffee every morning. So that was initially one of my items here, but I ended up taking it off. And then step 3 is list the reasons how you use water in those 3 places you listed. So then those are the reasons where you would do the captions. So here, to shower or bathe, I need water. I use water to wash my hands. I use water to help my garden grow. I need water for my coffee. Okay, those are the captions that I'm talking about. That is your step 1. So today, by the end of today, your notebook should end up looking like this, where you have your items sketched out, and you have the captions that explain why you use water or how you use water in that scenario. Okay. So then your last step is to add the captions to your draft in your notebook. And I hope that you guys all have your notebook. If not, find a piece of paper. It doesn't matter. This one doesn't have to be nice. Just sketch out your items. So this is what you need to do for today. So now you need to go to Google Classroom and find the assignment and do Epic for 20 minutes. You don't need to do Amplify today, just Epic. Make sure you're not watching videos on Epic. Make sure you're actually reading a book, please. So now let me show you the Google Classroom assignment. So you'll do Monday's work, and it's water conservation, so it'll look like this. I have your learning target. Here are your steps again. Go outside, look around for 3 places. Now get your notebook and start sketching those places. Here I put the model again so you have it. And then here, tell me what you or someone in your house uses the water for in the 3 places you listed above. So in these 3 places, tell me why or how you use the water. Okay, so you do have to answer 2 questions. So this is kind of a check-in for me to make sure you're doing it at home. And then I also add the steps. Okay, now actually go to your notebook and do it, okay? And that is all. And then make sure you do Epic and then just complete this assignment. That is all, you guys. If you need any help or you have any questions, please come back around 2 so you can click on the link and I will be here for my office hours. Okay, have a good day. Bye.